Weightlifting, also known as resistance training, is a type of exercise that involves using weights to build muscle and strength. It is a popular form of exercise for many people looking to improve their overall fitness and health. Beginners should start with light weights and focus on proper form to avoid injury. As you become more comfortable with the exercises, you can gradually increase the weight. It is also important to include a variety of exercises in your routine, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench press, to target different muscle groups. Additionally, it is recommended to consult with a personal trainer or gym instructor to design a personalized workout plan that meets your fitness goals. Remember to give yourself time to rest and recover between workouts to allow your muscles to repair and grow.